My name is Cal Burgess, founder of AboutUniversalLife.com. Index Universal Life policies allow your cash value to accumulate tax-deferred, exempt from market volatility through a concept known as annual reset. Since Index Universal Life policies are considered fixed products, insurance companies who offer these products are prohibited from leveraging their assets. Instead, they are mandated by the state to hold reserve pools of cash on the side to protect the policy owner's premiums. Over the last decade, these methods have achieved attractive, moderate returns. From August 1st, 2001 through August 1st, 2011, many Index Universal Life policies have achieved average rate of return that has exceeded 7% before any fees were taken out. During the same time period, the average return of the S&P 500 or the stock market was less than 1%, again, assuming no fees were withdrawn. Although these results are not typical, many investors today have repositioned their funds to these policies to help offset against volatility and to protect against rising federal income taxes. To learn more about how Index Universal Life policy can work for you, please feel free to contact us at AboutUniversalLife.com. Thank you.